How to fix AirPods not pairing. Firstly, on your device, open Settings. Inside Settings, scroll down and click on the option General. Now select the option Software Update and look for any kind of updates that may be available for your iPhone. If there are updates available, then make sure to update your system. Now go back to your previous screen. Go to the option Picture in Picture. Make sure that Start PIP automatically is turned on. Again, go back to Settings main page. Now at the top, you should see the option Bluetooth. Click on that. Scroll down inside Bluetooth. Select your AirPod and start connecting. If it's still not connecting, then remove the device and reconnect it. To remove a device, simply click on the device and select the option Forget this device. Once you do that, then the device will be removed. Search for the device in the scanning section and try to connect again. Now go back to your home page and give your device a quick restart. After restarting, your problem should be fixed. If you're still facing some problems, then visit the nearest Apple store. That's all for today. Thank you.